Missive versus Superhuman. Which email app should you use? Choosing the right email app can completely change how you manage your inbox without wasting time or missing important messages. Missive offers team collaboration, while Superhuman focuses on speed and productivity. Missive and Superhuman are two powerful email apps designed to boost your email workflow. Missive emphasizes team collaboration and shared inboxes, while Superhuman prioritizes lightning-fast email management with advanced shortcuts and AI features. The core difference lies in collaboration versus speed. Missive is a collaborative email app built for teams who need to manage shared inboxes seamlessly. It integrates email, chat, and task management into one platform, allowing users to assign emails, comment internally, and collaborate in real time. Missive supports multiple email providers and offers features like shared drafts and snoozing. Its strength lies in enabling smooth teamwork, especially for customer support or sales teams. However, its interface can feel complex for solo users or those who prefer a minimalist design. Missive is ideal for teams that rely heavily on communication and need to avoid duplicated work or missed messages. It also supports integrations with popular tools, enhancing workflow automation. While powerful, it may require some onboarding time to master all collaboration features. Superhuman is an email app designed for individuals seeking maximum speed and efficiency. It offers a sleek, minimalist interface with powerful keyboard shortcuts that allow users to navigate, compose, and manage emails quickly. Superhuman also incorporates AI features like reminders, follow-up suggestions, and read statuses to keep users on top of their inbox. Its strength is in accelerating email processing, making it ideal for busy professionals who handle large volumes of email daily. However, Superhuman currently supports only Gmail and Google Workspace accounts, limiting its audience. It also comes with a premium subscription model. The app suits users who value productivity and a distraction-free experience over team collaboration. Superhuman's design focuses on reducing friction and making email feel effortless, appealing to those who want to reclaim time spent on email. When comparing Missive and Superhuman, the choice depends on your workflow needs. Missive excels in team environments, offering shared inboxes, internal chat, and task assignments, making it perfect for collaborative projects or customer support teams. Its feature-rich platform supports multiple email providers but can be overwhelming for solo users. Superhuman shines as a personal productivity tool, emphasizing speed with advanced shortcuts and AI-powered features. It's best for individual professionals using Gmail who want to process emails faster and stay organized. The trade-off is that Superhuman lacks team collaboration features and supports fewer email services. Missive provides broader integration and team tools, while Superhuman offers a streamlined, premium experience focused on personal efficiency. Choose Missive if you need robust team collaboration, shared inboxes, and integrated communication tools to manage group email workflows efficiently. Superhuman is the go-to for individuals seeking unmatched speed and AI-powered productivity within Gmail. If managing your inbox quickly and with minimal distraction is your priority, Superhuman delivers a premium, focused experience that transforms how you handle email every day.